If you've ever wanted a simple, reliable way to keep your important files backed up, accessible from anywhere, and easily shared with others, setting up a OneDrive account is a fantastic choice. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how you can create a OneDrive account right from your mobile device. By the end of this video, you'll have your new cloud storage all set up, ready to sync, store, and safely access your files wherever life takes you. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll need is the OneDrive app itself. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad. Just type Microsoft OneDrive into the search bar. Make sure to download the official app from Microsoft. You'll recognize it by the blue cloud icon and the publisher's name, Microsoft Corporation. Go ahead and tap Install or Get. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment, so feel free to grab a coffee while your phone does the work. Once the download is complete, find the OneDrive icon on your home screen and tap to open it up. Now on the sign-in screen, instead of logging in, look for an option that says Create a Free Account. It should be pretty prominent, but sometimes apps update their interface. If you only see an option to sign in, look carefully for a smaller Create Account or Sign Up link. Go ahead and tap that. Next, the app will ask for an email address. You have two options here. If you already have an existing email like a Gmail or Yahoo account, you can enter it and Microsoft will use that as your login. This is handy because you won't need to remember an extra email address. However, if you prefer to keep things neat or want a fresh start, tap Get a New Email Address. This will let you create a brand new @outlook.com account on the spot, which you can use exclusively for OneDrive or anything else Microsoft related. Choose whichever method makes the most sense for you. Now it's time to set your password. Make sure to pick something strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol or two if possible. A good password is like a sturdy lock on your front door. It keeps your digital life safe and secure. Once you've entered your chosen password, tap Next to continue. The next screen will ask for a bit more information. Your first and last name, the country you live in, and your date of birth. This step not only helps personalize your account, but it's also important for things like account recovery and legal compliance. Take a moment to check your spelling, especially with your email and birth date. It's easy to make a small typo, and that can cause headaches later on. Now we're nearly done. To make sure your new account is truly yours, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. This usually means typing in a code that's sent to the email address you provided. Sometimes you might also be presented with a quick puzzle, like picking pictures that match a description. This helps keep bots and spam at bay and reassures Microsoft that you're a real person. Give yourself a pat on the back. This part might take a little patience if the email takes a minute to arrive, but don't worry if it does. Just refresh your inbox and be sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. And that's it. Once your verification is complete, you've got yourself a shiny new OneDrive account ready to use on your mobile device. You can immediately start backing up photos, sharing documents, or just enjoy knowing your files are safe in the cloud. Thanks so much for following along with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Got questions or hit a snag? Drop your thoughts or issues in the comments below. I always do my best to help out. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.